Good morning, everyone. Today, I will present the final stage of the strategic management process, which is strategy evaluation and control. Strategy evaluation and control are essential because they help organizations determine whether their strategies are achieving the desired objectives. After a strategy has been implemented, managers must evaluate its performance and make adjustments when necessary to ensure the organization remains on track. Key Performance Indicators, or KPIs. KPIs are measurable values that show how effectively an organization is achieving its goals. Good KPIs follow the SMART principle, meaning they are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound.
KPIs can be used at different levels within an organization. At the individual level, they measure employee performance. At the departmental level, they evaluate operational performance. At the organizational level, they measure the success of the company's overall strategy.
Some common examples of KPIs include revenue growth, profit, return on investment, customer satisfaction, employee engagement, and operational efficiency. Organizations should review their KPIs regularly because business goals and market conditions may change over time. Balanced Scorecard. The second tool is the Balanced Scorecard, developed by Robert Kaplan and David Norton in the 1990s. Unlike traditional financial measures, the Balanced Scorecard evaluates performance from 4 different perspectives.
The first is the financial perspective, which focuses on revenue, profitability, and return on investment. The second is the customer perspective, which measures customer satisfaction, loyalty, and market share. The third is the internal process perspective, which evaluates quality, efficiency, and innovation.
Finally, the learning and growth perspective focuses on employee skills, organizational culture, and information systems that support long-term improvement. The Balanced Scorecard provides a complete picture of organizational performance and helps align daily activities with long-term strategic goals. However, it can sometimes be difficult to implement, particularly for small organizations with limited resources. Strategic Control Systems. The third topic is Strategic Control Systems. These systems monitor whether strategies are being implemented effectively and whether the organization is progressing toward its objectives. Strategic control systems include both financial controls, such as monitoring revenue, profit, and cash flow, and non-financial controls, such as measuring customer satisfaction and employee performance. Organizations also use several important tools, including benchmarking, which compares performance with competitors or industry best practices, audits, which evaluate business processes and systems, and variance analysis, which compares actual performance with planned performance to identify differences. Good morning, everyone. Today, I will present the future of strategic management. As the business environment continues to change rapidly, organizations must adapt their strategies to remain competitive. New technologies, changing customer expectations, and global challenges are transforming the way businesses plan and make decisions. The first trend shaping the future of strategic management is digital transformation. Technologies such as big data, artificial intelligence, and digital tools are helping organizations collect and analyze large amounts of information. These technologies enable companies to make faster, smarter, and more accurate strategic decisions. As a result, strategic management is becoming more data-driven, flexible, and responsive to market changes. The second trend is predictive analytics. Predictive analytics uses historical data to forecast future trends and outcomes. By identifying opportunities and potential risks early, organizations can improve planning and make better strategic decisions. This allows businesses to stay ahead of competitors and respond quickly to changes in the marketplace. Another important trend is the growing focus on sustainability and corporate social responsibility, or CSR. Today, organizations understand that long-term success is not based only on profits. They must also protect the environment, use resources responsibly, and contribute positively to society. Remote work and virtual teams has also changed strategic management. Many organizations now manage employees working from different locations. Therefore, managers must develop new ways to maintain communication, collaboration, motivation, and productivity. Future challenges. Despite these opportunities, organizations also face several important challenges. These include cybersecurity threats, data privacy issues, geopolitical risks, and increasing global competition. Good morning, everyone. Today, I will present Adapting to an Ever-Changing Business Environment. In today's fast-changing world, organizations must be flexible and responsive to remain competitive. Businesses need to adapt quickly to new technologies, customer needs, and market conditions. The first approach is agile strategy, which allows organizations to adjust their strategies quickly as changes occur. The second is scenario planning, where companies prepare for different future situations and develop action plans in advance. The third approach is innovation. Businesses must continuously create new products, services, and ideas to meet changing customer demands. Another important strategy is strategic partnerships. By working with other organizations, companies can share knowledge, resources, and expertise to achieve common goals. Organizations should also encourage continuous learning by providing training and development programs so employees can improve their skills. Finally, data analytics helps businesses analyze market trends and customer behavior, allowing them to make better and faster strategic decisions.